Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just completed my first 2020 YouTube video and I figured why not continue and make more videos. And yeah, so this is the makeup look that I did, and if you're curious how I did that, watch that video. Honestly, I would have to do like a separate video on how I really did this makeup, because the first video is more of me just chit-chatting and just, talking about my 2020 resolution. But that's that first video. So this video right here, you guys, I'm going to do an e-girl video. So I'm just gonna take this basic makeup look. I mean basic because look at me, look at my face, look at this makeup look. It's just basic, right? Take this makeup look and make it more e-girl-esque. And so I have my phone right here, and I'm going to just look up a couple of inspiration, some inspos of what an e-girl is. E-girl makeup. Let's Google that up. Images. So, okay. Definitely like a very, here's one image of an e-girl right there. What else? Very dark makeup. Another image. I see a lot of reds. That must be like the e-girl color. A lot of red tones and very like, it's like a cute, I mean, if this is offensive, I do apologize, but it comes off as a very cute goth girl. That's the vibe I'm getting. Very cute and kind of dark, but not like scary dark, like cute dark, So that's the vibe I'm getting. So since I am seeing a lot of like reds and like kind of like berry colors, the perfect palette for that, in my opinion, is the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. Oh, I'm like out of breath. Gotta work out. I went downstairs for a glass of water and okay. So I'm taking this, and the shades in here are perfect for all that stuff. Okay, so gonna place this on my little desk. So now we are going to add in some reds into our eyes. Okay, I already have makeup on, but we're gonna add more into it. So let me just take like a nice plummy color. This is called Cherry Juice. All right, we're gonna add that red right on top. Okay, this makeup look is just for fun, you guys. It's not really, an actual makeup tutorial. I'm just trying out this e-girl look, and maybe I'll just go to work like this. I mean, I'm gonna go into work with this e-girl makeup, and I'm sure everyone is going to love it because it's gonna look fabulous. So that nice plummy color, just place it on like so. Then I'm gonna pick up the shade called Cranberry and place that right here, more towards the center and the inner corner, like that. Alright, so for the actual inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade called Sugar Cookie, and taking my mirror, honestly I could have just started with a clean face, a clean eyelid, but sometimes when laziness kicks in, you just kind of put makeup on top of another and it just kind of works out fine. So like that, and then go back in with that first brush you had, because it has that like more cranberry colors on it, and just blend that out. Okay, now I kind of need a more red color. So this one is more berry based. To get a more red color, I'm going to take my my bad. All right, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. And as you guys can see, nice reds coming out. A lot of oranges too, but I see that nice red called Bomb Ass. And we're going to just take a nice little brush, and by little, what do I mean by little? Honestly, I feel like everything I see is called little. Alright, so we're going to take, I don't know what brush I want to use. Alright, we'll take this brush right here. Okay, this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Oh, perfect brush. An eyeshadow brush. We're going to use eyeshadow using an eyeshadow brush. Genius, I know. So, dip into that red shade. And I'm going to just put some on the lower part of my eyes. Alright, maybe that was like a bad idea because I feel like I look kind of sick. But we'll just go with it. I gotta kind of reference back what the images look like. Let's see. So I feel like their eyeliner is like pretty thick. So I'm gonna make mine thick too. So I'm gonna take my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner and just make my eyeliner a lot thicker. I kind of made it kind of fancy, put a little extra line on top. Not sure what that really does, but it makes it look nice and cool. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest of the eyeliner using the NYX, not NYX, but the LA Girl liner. So this particular e-girl that I'm creating, she is going to be a glitter loving babe. So a nice glitter palette is my NYX Glitter Goals. Freaking love this stuff. I'm going to take this. I'm going to use the pink color just because I think it's going to go nice with my e-girl makeup look. Put some of that right there, like so. Just on the center, I guess. Like that. And then I think I need more on this eye. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so and then I'm going to take, I guess, the silver color and put that on the inner corner right on top of Sugar Cookie. Like that. Not too much, just a little bit. Oh, if my mirror is covering up the makeup look, I apologize. That is what I have going on so far. Okay, so that is that. What else did they do to their makeup look? Let's see. Let me see. They put like little hearts on the bottom and the side. So maybe I'll do that too. So I need my eyeliner again. I'll draw some hearts. So drew a little heart right there. Maybe just one heart. Is that cute? I have no idea. I already have freckles, but I guess I'll draw in more freckles. So I'm going to take my chocolate Ulta eyeliner and just literally just draw in more freckles, and maybe even like red and purple freckles. You guys, look at that. I have a red eyeliner pencil. This is red in the color copper. Well, it looks kind of red, but we're gonna do a little bit of that on our face. Okay. I guess that looks kind of cute, right? I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not a big like freckle fan, and I feel like I can say that because I naturally do have freckles and I'm always trying to cover them up. But for this look, I feel like it just goes nicely with it. It just goes well. I don't know. Okay, so that's enough with the freckles. I'm gonna kind of make them look more natural by doing that. Okay, now let's look at our picture. What else? They do have, well, not all of them. I was gonna say they have nice lashes, but not all of them. You know what they have? They have nice rosy cheeks. And so I want to kind of emphasize on the cheeks. I'm going to go back in with the same blush I used in my previous video. And really build up. And in the pictures, they definitely go over their nose. And that's something I do all the time anyway, so that's nothing new. But I'm going to really play up that look. The more the merrier. Just add in all that blush. Okay, so add it in the blush and the mascara. I already have mascara on, but I guess just for good measure, we'll put in a little bit more. Okay, so boom, that's good. Gotta rub in these freckles real quick. They kind of stand out a little too much. I feel like my e-girl look is not really complete. Something about it looks kind of missing. What am I missing? Ooh, let's do a nice red lip. Okay, red lip, but not like a solid red lip, but more of like a faded red lip. So take this like that, just kind of smear it on. This is the Too Cool for School, and all right, we got our red lip going on. Okay, and then let's see, what else am I missing? I'm not really sure. Feel like I need a couple more steps. I need inspiration looking at my Google feed, and I think I should probably, ooh, maybe I'll draw like triangles right under my eye. You know what? I think that probably completed the look. And for the last finishing touches, you guys, here is my final look. I feel like this completely just finished the look. It's the cherry on top. I went ahead and cut my hair. I just made bangs for myself. They look uneven because obviously I'm not a professional hair cutter. But I mean, I think it turned out nice. I was honestly dead serious about just having a new style and just a new look for the new year, and I think this is the perfect look for me. I'm so excited to go into 2020 with this look. And you guys, I hope you know, I'm just kidding. It's just a little headband with like fake hair on it. It's fake hair. I can take it off, but I put it on because I felt like it just completed the look. And yeah, so I put 2 clips on because I noticed a lot of the e-girl pictures that I googled up, it had a lot of clips on them. So put 2 clips on, and this is my version of an e-girl. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's just a little fun little makeup thing I did. If you like videos like this and you want to see more content just like this one, go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.